Welcome to day 2 of our Paultons Park adventure. Where's Zack gone? He's behind you. Slightly bigger queue today. Maybe because we're here a bit earlier though. Watch it go up. Look, there it goes. So you follow it. Come on, let's follow it. Go, go, go. Look at it. What did you think of the roller coaster?
No, the keeps getting up.
Was it good? Did you like it? Yeah, you can do, yeah. You want to go in a sand pit? Oh, that looks good. Look at his chin.
You put sand all along here.
Put it on your chin.
How'd you get sand on your chin? Photo.
Whoa.
I'll take a picture.
Sand chin.
Wait there, don't move it.
It's a funny noise, isn't it?
Take a picture of this gentle giant.
This looks good, doesn't it? Is this going?
G'day guys, how's it going? You guys ever been on a dino safari before? Right folks, that's the awesome Splash Lagoon. That Dilophosaurus on the left is looking pretty angry. Watch out! Don't forget to take a trip on our boat safari where you can see more amazing dinos like that impressive Brachiosaurus over there.
What was that? Look at this Jeep coming out. Look at the wheels moving on it.
A bit of bother. Think we'll have to leave it there until that cheeky little Compsognathus decides to hop off the bonnet.
Smile for the camera.
Cheese!
He takes pics of everyone, then plants them on the wall in Outpost 12 for all to see. Now, this is a very special place, as a couple of raptors have decided to nest in this old, disused tunnel. Look to the left, in that recess, there's some eggs. Wow! Look, guys, that baby raptor's just hatching. Oh, this is incredible. A rare treat for all of us. Oh, cute little fella, isn't he, eh? Check him out.
Whoa! He jumped in loose, didn't he? Did it spray you?
Wasn't expecting that. That's one mighty myth dino. Best get out of here. You guys all okay? ahead is a megalosaurus.
It's a big one, look.
He originally lived right here in England about 166 million years ago. He's about 6 metres long. So even though megalosaurus means big lizard, he's not huge by other dino standards. Now these fellas to the left are ornithomimus. They don't look too happy with us being here. These bird-like dinos are mighty fast, but don't worry, they're not meat eaters, so we should be fine.
That's their new ride.
That's no cute for it.
Well done! Oh, don't worry. So I'll get you changed in a minute. Keep your glasses on.
Look, their legs look like sticks.
Can you laugh?
But it's standing like this. Can you do it? Can't do it myself. How can that balance?
Yeah, weird, isn't it?
Oh, they always stink from it, guys.
They do, don't they? Why?
Is that me?
Whoa.
It's like a maze, isn't it?
This is where fairies live, Zack.
No?
What fairies?
Come back.
Look, this way, look.
Get out, Zack.
It's woods.
That's what this is like. Look. Look, you see the ladders? Look. Snakes and ladders. There's a big dice. There's his mouth there, look. That's the snake's mouth.
Is it sharp?
Fangs. Fun's that?
There we go.
Go, Zack, go right. Right. Oh, it's over that side now, look, it's over there. Oh, is that it?
swinging.
Yeah, aren't you?
We're swinging. Look, Daddy, we're
Oh, look, Zach, this turns. It turns. Oh my god. That's cool.
So say cheese.
That's so weird, isn't it?
Oh, isn't it weird?
What a strange ride.
Goes up and down, round and round.
It does, doesn't it? A nice view, though.
Wow.
Wow. Zach, you're like a little cloud. Zach, look at the view. Look out. What can you see?
Wow.
I like that building with all the grass on the roof.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? It's right now.
You're taller than a tree.
You are, aren't you?
Yeah, you're right.
Wow.
I don't know how this works because that one's stopped down there to let people on and off. But these are still keep going.
We're right at the top. We're right at the top.
We're right at the top then.
You can see that, Zach. Try and see the top of the tower, look.
Peppa Pig!
That's the top.
I'm going down.
You can see Peppa Pig at the top.
We're going round and round. So hi Peppa!
Hi.
Hello!
There's a cloud.
Is he in there?
Yeah. I'll take a picture in a minute. All dead. Every angle.
Then off we go. Yippee!
Ooh, we are very high up, Your Majesty.
Oh, whee! Oh, isn't it marvellous? One does love to pass. One can see all around. Oh, wave to everyone.
Wave to everyone, Zach. No, they were good, the boats. That's the first thing we did there.
Got really crowded all of a sudden.
Right, Zach, do you feel like you've done enough at Peppa Pig Land World? Yeah? What was your favourite? What was your favourite ride? I think we've pretty much done everything now, don't you? Do
Yeah,
you think we've done what we wanted to do?
definitely, absolutely.
Yeah, because we did that roller coaster, the big roller coaster first thing, didn't we? Did you like the big roller coaster this morning, Zach?
Yeah.
Was it scary?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you got a bit scared, didn't you? Thoughts on the park for a roundup? Good theming at this park.
It is very good theming, especially around Peppa Pig and this sort of western area here. Very
Yeah.
good theming.
And the dinosaur stuff.
And the
really
dinosaurs, excellent. The only thing is this little part here, which is kind of near where the car park is. You've got
It's
some
a
big
strange
hedges.
area, isn't it? Yeah.
It's not themed very well. It's
Maybe
very
they're going to
open.
continue into this, so I don't know.
Yeah. So I just feel like it needs some better theming here. We didn't actually go over to this part here because the rides were too big. But apart from that, yeah, excellent theming. Really good. Food was really good as well.
Yep.
We had a ice cream yesterday and some chips yesterday, and not too bad prices.
That was
for
good,
theme
wasn't
parks.
it? Unlike the Thomas Lamb, we found a bit expensive,
Yeah.
didn't we? Look at these ducks. Ducks.
Be careful.
Hello. Hey?
What was someone with a giant flag?
Oh yeah. So you're going to say bye to Peppa Pig World
Peppa Pig World.
and bye to Paultons Park. Still can't say it properly. Right, Zack. This is our final shot from Paultons Park. I'll get it right
Have
eventually.
you had a good time?
Yeah? Alright then. Signing off.